Welcome friends, in this video tutorial we will learn how to work with tables and table formatting. So we have already created one table and I have already entered some data into the table. Now I want to format my this cell, which is biology cells forecast merge cell. Now I want to set border around this text or this heading. So right click. First select the area in which this text is and right click on that area. Now select format cell option. So you will see one tab which is border. Now to set border around this cell you have to set the border option. Now you can see currently our cell border is like this. We have border left side, we have border top side, we have border right side, but not bottom side. So to set the border bottom side, click here. So now we have border around cell. Now to set the thickness or style of border, you can see here style of border. By this option you can select various border style. I want to select this thick line. You can also select the color of particular border, but I am not selecting color of border. If you want to set outline of border, then you can select this preset options and select onto the outside. So I am selecting outline also, and once your settings are done you can press OK. Now you can see border is around the cell. So this is how we can set border around the table. Now I want to set border around my all data. So I am right clicking onto that format cell, and I am selecting thin line for border, not selecting outline but selecting border around each cell. So this is my new border of particular cell. I want to highlight my columns, so I am selecting columns and clicking onto the bold. So now my columns are highlighted. Again right clicking onto the cell and setting the border little bit thicker than. So now you can see my table is looking somewhat formatted and it is in good formatting. So this is my table with formatting. Thank you.